To begin preparing the pH meter, the probe needs to be taken out of the storage solution and rinsed with water. It is important that the probe is kept in a solution at all times. Next, the pH meter needs to be calibrated. This is done by placing the probe into a buffer solution. The first buffer solution used has a pH of 4. A buffer solution is a solution that resists changes in pH when things like bases or acids are added. Buffer solutions work by controlling the pH of any acid or base that is added to it. They bring the pH down to a constant level. So for instance, if there's a strong base, it will bring it to a weak base, and if there's a strong acid, it will bring it to a weak acid. Next, the probe must be rinsed with water again, then put into a buffer solution with a pH of 7. Now the pH meter is ready to take the pH of unknown solutions. You may stick the probe into the unknown solution and make sure that you do not swirl it around because it is very sensitive. Then you must look at the meter and watch as the pH stops at a constant level. Once the pH stops at a constant number, you can write down the value it gives you. This procedure must be repeated for all other unknown solutions. For this solution here, we see that it is acidic because the pH is lower than 7. The final pH for the solution was 3.67. Next, we took the pH of a known solution, HCl. For this solution, the pH was less than 1. The closer the pH is to 1, the more acidic it is. Now the idea of weak acids and strong acids are introduced. Weak acids are acids that only dissociate 5% when placed in water. Strong acids, however, completely dissociate into their respective ions. The difference between weak acids and strong acids is that this dissociation of weak acids is reversible, therefore allowing it to be at equilibrium. It is important to record your findings in a table so that way it can later be graphed with pH on the y-axis and concentration on the x-axis. Finally, it's important to rinse out all your containers, place the probe back into the storage solution, and place the pH meter back in its storage location. Also, it is important to clean off your desk space.